So what happens when I mix two different Mbiras tuned to two different keys? Let's find out. So the first Mbira, it sounds like this. And when I add the second Mbira, it sounds like this. So how is that possible? So let me quickly show you something interesting here. So the first Mbira is tuned in the key of C. The second one is tuned in the key of G. So if you look at the C major scale, and then if you look at the G major scale, they are almost identical. It's just one of these notes that is different. The same with the key of F as well. So if we've got one Mbira tuned to the key of C, it means you can also play it in the key of G and also play it in the key of F. You just have to be careful not to hit that different note because it will sound weird.